All right, so what we really need is that average April precipitation-wise, temperature-wise, we need that to continue into May, and then we can all start to feel a little bit better about this upcoming summer. But how about that? What a day here. Helena now down to 73, but the warmest weather we've seen since October of last year, and we did eclipse that record high of 75 that was previously set back in 1985. Great Falls still at 74 degrees, not quite the record high of 78, so that record from all the way back in 1925 will stand here. Temperatures 50s, 60s, some 70s. How about Miles City and Missoula checking in at 80 degrees right now. It's pretty windy. Well, that wind is going to get stronger as we go through tonight and, boy, tomorrow. A very windy day across the state, especially as we get into the afternoon here with a cold front that will work its way across the state. So powerful wind and falling temperatures Tuesday afternoon and evening. Boy, it will be a real rough afternoon and evening up around the East Glacier area to around the Cup Bank area. So yes, bunch of advisories, watches, warnings, but first, again, we've got a flood warning for major flooding ongoing right now. Beaver Creek heading into the Hinsdale area. Just a ton of snow here this winter and still on the ground across the northern part of the state. Another area with a flood warning, meaning flooding is happening, is again Big Sandy Creek heading down towards the Havre area. So flood warning continues tomorrow evening. Of course, we have the flood watch in a couple different areas. Flood watch here around White Sulphur Springs, Helena, the Valley, down through Townsend, tossed into Three Forks, and then the north central part of the state. All of the snow up in the Bear Paw Mountains continues to melt down here, heading to around the Milk and then the Missouri. Flood advisory, just water building up along the High Line. Then we've got the high wind warning going through tonight into tomorrow evening. And then for Wednesday night and Thursday to midnight Thursday night and Friday, a winter storm watch. So yes, we will have some snow coming through. Little rain up in the northwest part of the state here. That is the front that will come across the state here as we go into tomorrow. But for tonight, quite a mild, if not a warm night. Many of us will have temperatures in the 40s and 50s through the overnight hours. Here comes that front. Now, fortunately, it does not produce a lot of precipitation here east of the Continental Divide. We will have a couple of showers, maybe an isolated thunderstorm tomorrow afternoon, but you're going to feel that temperature drop tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening, and you're going to feel the wind as well. Kind of quiet otherwise, precipitation-wise, but heading into Wednesday morning, maybe a little snow around Lewistown, then maybe a little snow trying to develop closer to the Helena area later Wednesday afternoon and evening. Snow, watch what happens as we go through Wednesday night and Thursday. We could have several inches of snow on the ground in the lower elevations. We'll get to that coming up, but tonight, low temperatures in the 40s and the 50s, so the melt, the runoff, it continues here through the overnight hours into tomorrow. Tomorrow, it's Tuesday. We've got that front coming through. Very warm again, especially in eastern Montana, but 40s and 50s behind that front. Temperatures will be dropping. Wednesday, mostly cloudy and cooler, so the melt will slow down. And then getting into Thursday, it's likely that we've got widespread snow across a lot of the state, including Great Falls here. So near record warmth, we've got a lot of wind, but temperatures will be dropping, the melt will be slowing, and we've got potential for widespread snow Thursday.